Hello everyone, welcome to online computer network classes. In today's lecture, we will discuss about network layer. Network layer is basically the third layer in OSI model. It is responsible for routing and forwarding packets. Mainly जो core functions हैं आपके network layer के वो हैं logical addressing, routing and packet forwarding. Basic duties of network layer is as earlier discussed, internetworking, addressing, routing, packetizing, and fragmenting. Now, what are the basic functions of network layer? First one is routing. Routing का मतलब क्या होता है? Suppose A is a device which want to send a message to B. B is a device which is receiver of the message. Then there must be a path between A and B. So this path will be determined by routing, and this function is done by the network layer. So routing basically determines optimal path from source to destination. Next one is logical addressing. Logical addressing basically uses IP addresses to identify devices. Means suppose if uh, we are having multiple computers in a system, then how we can identify sender and receiver. We can identify the sender and receiver using their logical address, that is known as IP address. Next one is packet forwarding. Packet forwarding basically transfers packets from source to destination. Network layer basically converts the data in the form of packets, and these packets transfers the data from source to destination. Next one is fragmentation and reassembly. Fragmentation and reassembly means manage data size per network capability. That means once the data is received at the side of receiver, then these data packets are reassembled. Next one is error handling and diagnostics. Error handling and diagnostics includes mainly uh, detection of errors which is occurred during the transfer and then proper diagnosis of this particular error. Basic key components of network layer are routers, protocol, IP protocol, that is IP version 6 and IP version 4. Routing tables, address resolution protocol, ARP. What are the main design issues in network layer? First is store and forward packet switching, services to transport layer, routing algorithm, congestion control, internetworking, and fragmentation. These are the basic design issues in the network layer. Now we will discuss about design issue 1, that is store and forward. Entire packet received and stored before forwarding. Suppose if device A sends a message to device B, then the whole message is received at the site of B and stored before forwarding. Introducing latency. Latency means the difference between user's action and the response generated. Efficient for error detection but not for real time communication. स्टोर एंड फॉरवर्ड इशू जो है ये आपका एरर डिटेक्शन के लिए तो ठीक है कि अगर किसी पैकेट में एरर हो जाती है तो उसे डिटेक्ट करना इजी होता है, बट रियल टाइम कम्युनिकेशन में ये बहुत ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट नहीं है. नेक्स्ट डिजाइन इशू इज सर्विसेज टू ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर. Must offer connection oriented or connection less services. Means either there should be a connection between sender or receiver, or there should be a wireless communication media between sender and receiver. Should be transparent to end user, and it must support quality of services. Next design issues is routing algorithms. Routing algorithms are of two types, static or dynamic. These may be centralized or distributed. Basic goal of routing algorithm is to minimize delay, maximize throughput, and ensure robustness. Design issue 4 is congestion control. Congestion control means avoid network overloading. That means एक single route पे बहुत ज़्यादा आपका data packets pending में नहीं होने चाहिए. Techniques basically for congestion control are traffic shaping, admission control, load shading. And this is mainly, congestion control is mainly important for maintaining performance. Design issue 5 is internetworking. Internetworking means connecting multiple networks with different protocols. It basically requires protocol translation, and IP serves as a universal protocol for internetworking. Design issue 6 is fragmentation. Fragmentation means network may have different maximum transmission units. That means data must be fragmented as per their transmission unit maximization. And this data should be reassembled at the receiver side. IP version support fragmentation, and IP version 6 handles this fragmentation something in different manner in comparison to IP version 4. Now we can conclude that network layer basically a important layer in the network. It plays a crucial role in reliable data transmission, but its design issues are basically address routing, addressing congestion control, and compatibility within the network. A well-designed network layer ensures efficient and scalable network. This was all about the network layer. In next lecture, we will discuss about IP version 4 and IP version 6 protocol. Thank you.